Hello everyone. So we're going to be designing this thing today. It is a random object. I completely agree with you. I just took a bunch of objects and compiled them together. So that brings me to the point of the video. I'm going to show you guys how to design or how to take a 2D shape and take it to a 3D object by extruding the 2D shape. So yeah, it's just a random object, random dimensions. Let's get started. So first of all, you obviously need to, let me just not save this, apologies. First of all, you obviously need to create a new part. I suggest you do isometric part. Okay. Then we're going to start off with the cylinder. You click on the down arrow and then click on circle by center point. Then you select the Y and X, the Y and X plane. So this one. I usually just do it like this. My apologies. Let me just fix this. There we go. Okay. Then you select it. Enable it by clicking or pressing F3 on your keyboard. Okay. And you can start. So we're going to do 500 millimeter diameter. Okay. Then what you do is you go over here to the solids section and then you click extrude. Okay, then you click on your object, press enter, and then you go up by the dimension. So in this case it's 500 millimeters. Okay, then we're going to go to rectangle. You click on the down arrow, rectangle by center, and it's going to ask you to enable the face if you want to work on the face. So in this case it's going to be F3 again. Then you can do it like this. We're going to make it the same width and length. So 500 by 500. Okay. Then we can extrude it again. Let's do the same 500 millimeter height. Okay. Now we're going to make these triangles you saw. So it's actually not triangles. If you look at it from the top view, it's just a rectangle at an angle, 45-degree angle. Okay. So then you can do the same thing. You click on line, F3 again, get the center point. This is a faster method to get the center points. There's a much more efficient method, which I will start doing in the next video. Okay, let's just divide it to 2 parts. Okay. Then we bring one up to 200 millimeters, the other one up to 100 millimeters. Check how close we are. Okay, so as you can see, that the long this horizontal cylinder is on the big triangle. So it's the same. Just take 100 again. So unlock the plane or the face. You get the center points. Do a 100 millimeter diameter. Then we can extrude it. Click it. Usually you don't have to click extrude, but in this case just click it. Okay. And then we'll take it out by 500 millimeters again. There we go. exactly as is. Yes, exactly as is. So yeah, guys, um, I'm going to start posting a bit more solid edge tutorials. Um, I'm also learning it at the moment, so this is also like a way for me to learn also. And I have an ultimate goal. I want to. I'll put the picture on now, but I want to design an RC car. I have inspiration right next to me. The picture will be shown on screen.